Are you looking for the best foam rollers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best foam rollers. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Gaiam Restore Muscle Massage Therapy Foam Rollers. Softer density than traditional foam rollers to ease some of the pain associated with rolling, inexpensive, comes in a variety of colors. Available in 2 sizes may not be sufficient for anyone looking for deep muscle relief. Pain tolerance is totally personal, Ray says. So if standard foam rollers are agonizing and uncomfortable, one solution is to choose a more cushioned roller. This medium-density foam roller, the Gaiam's Restore, provides a softer kind of massage. The Restore has a smooth surface without any grooves or patterns, so it's able to consistently deliver a much less intense experience each time you use it. It works well throughout your lower body, as well, whether you're using it to work muscles in your legs, stretching out your hips, or relieving tension in your back. Moving on at number 4. We have the Brazyn Morph Foam Roller. The Brazyn Morph Collapsible utilizes a clever and simple system to pack flat in just a few seconds. We were dubious of the mechanism's stability even though Brazyn claims it will support 350 pounds. In an effort to test this, we jumped on it repeatedly and even laid 2 adults on it simultaneously, and it didn't buckle. It's constructed from bamboo, recycled aluminum, and recycled foam, and we appreciate the use of recycled materials and renewable resources like bamboo. When this roller is folded flat, it's just over 14 inches long by 6.5 inches wide and 1.9 tall. When it's ready to use, we found its length a perfect size for us. It's wide enough to roll out the upper back effectively while still being packable. The latex-free EVA foam also inspires confidence in the longevity of this product. Our favorite thing about the Brazyn Collapsible is the versatile topography. The exterior is soft enough for use on more sensitive areas but firm enough to get into the knots in your meaty quads if that is what your body needs. We found that users new to the Brazyn Morph had a tendency to only partially open the foam roller, and as such, we recommend checking to make sure it's fully deployed. This isn't something that takes away from this roller's ability to loosen knots, but it is something to be aware of. Furthermore, due to the panel design devised for collapsibility, this model does not roll as smoothly as others we tested. But, if you often find yourself on the go looking for an easy-to-pack roller, we highly recommend adding this one into rotation. At number 3, we have the Amazon Basics High Density Round Foam Roller. The Amazon Basics High Density lives up to the branding, basic. But when basic and functional gear is available for an affordable price, we love to indulge. This roller uses molded polypropylene and is the firmest foam roller we tested. It also holds up well under pressure, earning it a high score in our durability metric. It's completely smooth with no topographical features and comes in 4 lengths: 12 inches, 18 inches, 24 inches and 36 inches. We tested the 36 inches and found it to be a great length for most exercises, though it can be awkward to use in smaller spaces. Still, this back-to-basics approach is straightforward and easy to use. Because it is a standard roller, it is very ergonomically effective and versatile in its simplicity. The Amazon Basics roller can be a bit more slippery than rollers that boast bigger nodules across their surfaces. Ultimately, the smoother surface might slide a bit across your hardwoods, but it doesn't detract from the overall usability. If you are looking for a simple, affordable, and user-friendly product, you cannot go wrong with this standard roller. The length of the Amazon Basics roller makes it a very versatile tool for stretches like this one, though it's available in shorter lengths too if that works better for your body or your space. At number 2, we have the Premvida 3-speed Vibrating Foam Roller. Of the vibrating foam rollers we tested, the Premvida Aero was our favorite. With its intuitive and beefy 3-position dial, controlling the 3 vibration levels is simple. This interface was the most user-friendly we saw in our lineup. The extra firm EVA foam exterior features dual massage zones to tailor your experience further. The vibrations, combined with the moderate 6 inches diameter, help to further release tight and stubborn muscle groups. The battery lasted us 2 hours and 44 minutes on full power during our testing. The charging port is tucked under a removable cover, protecting it from becoming contaminated by sweat, dust, or the dog hair that might reside on your floor. Premvida provides a 1-year warranty for registered products, which is a great bonus. There were a couple of things that we didn't like about the Aero. First, we found it a little undersized for those testers with wider backs. That said, since it is a vibrating roller, we didn't feel as inclined to recline with it horizontally across the back. Of course, it all comes down to individual preference, but we personally don't love the sensation of our spinal cords vibrating. Secondly, we wish there was a built-in battery indicator, as you need to plug it in to find out the current battery level. Our main gripe, however, is how loud it is. At an average of 75 dBA, it is very noticeable and even distracting. The Aero is also on the pricier side, but if you are looking for a massage tool with the ability to go deep, we think you'll be glad you paid up. And finally at number 1. We have the TriggerPoint Grid Foam Roller. The TriggerPoint Grid is one of the most popular self-massage tools on the market. These rollers can be seen everywhere, from physical therapists' offices to the gym and in the homes of many athletes and weekend warriors. Its popularity was earned by it being a versatile and durable tool for self-care, characteristics we attribute to its unique design. It has a hollow core, made possible by 0.2 of hard plastic tube surrounded by a half-inch of multi-density EVA foam. This foam resists breaking down over time, and that, mixed with the rigid hollow core, makes this one of the most durable rollers we've had the pleasure of using. The topographical features of the TriggerPoint roller are modest but just right. The surface texture strikes a perfect middle ground between being super bumpy and completely smooth. Combined with the harder sections of foam and tight diameter of 5.35, these features allow you to pinpoint specific muscle groups. This stellar roller weighs in at 1.8 pounds, and at a length of just under 13, it travels pretty well. Our experience has shown that everyone, from beginners to the most experienced athletes, enjoys this roller. We found that the relatively short length of the TriggerPoint made it slightly less versatile than others we tested. Those with broad shoulders may find it too narrow to roll out their backs. People looking for a firm roller also might find that the TriggerPoint isn't firm enough for their more intense foam rolling sessions. That said, the foam that coats the hollow roll isn't as firm as some, but it also isn't especially soft. We think it hits just right, but this, of course, is completely subjective based on what your body craves. Those criticisms aside, we feel this is the best roller for the widest variety of people and needs. The TriggerPoint's unique design allows it to use softer foam than the other, firm, foam rollers thanks to the rigid hollow core. This combination makes this the most well-rounded foam roller. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.